I'm Dr. Kirsten Dunn, 2024 President of the St. Louis Metropolitan Medical Society, and I would like to welcome you to our annual meeting and installation dinner, celebrating our 189th consecutive year of organized medicine in St. Louis. Our organization dates back to Christmas Day, 1835, when 7 physicians met and formed the Medical Society of Missouri at St. Louis. I would like to begin this evening with the presentation of some very special awards. Our first award this evening is the Medical Society's Award of Merit. This award is given when appropriate to recognize distinguished and exceptional service to scientific medicine in the greater St. Louis community. This award was first presented in 1927, and over the past 97 years, it has been awarded to only 41 individuals. After reviewing our 2024 nominations, the selection committee has chosen the 42nd physician to join this very prestigious group of honorees. Dr. Krista Lentine is Professor of Medicine, Medical Director of Living Donation, and Co-Director of Clinical Research at the St. Louis University Transplant Center. She has served on the UNOS Policy Oversight Committee, chaired the Living Donor Committee, and co-chaired a work group that developed international guidelines for living donor evaluation and care. Additionally, she is on the steering committee for the Scientific Registry of Transplant Recipients, Living Donor Collective. She served as co-chair of the American Society of Transplantation Living Donor Community of Practice Executive Committee. She serves on the National Living Donor Assistance Act Advisory Committee and participated in the National Kidney Foundation Transplant Research Roundtable. She received the 2018 NKF Shaw G. Mastery Award with the lecture Balancing Risk and Autonomy in Living Kidney Donation. Her research includes efforts related to reducing organ discards and improving recipient and living donor outcomes. She is principal investigator of a clinical trial designed to assess the impact of procurement biopsies on organ use and discard. Dr. Lentine graduated from Stanford University School of Medicine and did her training in internal medicine and nephrology at Stanford before earning a PhD in health services research at St. Louis University. Dr. Lentine, we are honored to present you with this award this evening in recognition of your many contributions to scientific medicine. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Krista Dunn to the podium to receive the 2024
Thank you so much, Dr. Dunn. Sir Isaac Newton said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." Good evening, esteemed colleagues, mentors, collaborators, and friends. Standing here tonight receiving this wonderful Research Award of Merit, I am both humbled and reminded that science is never a solitary endeavor. Behind every achievement is a network of individuals and infrastructure that make discovery possible. And as physician scientists, we have the privilege and the responsibility of bridging research and patient care, translating insights from bench to bedside and back again. And if I were to distill the essence of this journey into 4 guiding principles, they would be curiosity, collaboration, commitment, and community. Curiosity is the spark that drives discovery. Scientific progress always begins with a question. Why does this happen? What if we approach the problem differently? Curiosity is the force that drives us forward, that keeps us questioning, experimenting, and pushing boundaries. To my mentors, including Dr. Mark Schnitzler, Dr. Edwards, and Naya, thank you. Thank you so much for fostering curiosity and creativity. Each of you has taught me that our work is not about having all the answers, but also relies on asking better questions. Collaboration is the power of shared ideas. Medicine and science are collective efforts built on diverse perspectives and expertise. To my colleagues, many of whom kindly took the time to join us tonight, as well as fellows, students, and staff, this recognition belongs to all of us. Every meeting, every late night email, every unexpected insight contributes to the larger effort. True scientific breakthroughs emerge from the synergy of minds working together. And as the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And in the transplant program in particular, we frequently say that transplant is the ultimate team sport. Commitment is the persistence to push forward. Curiosity and collaboration are only meaningful if met with commitment. For every successful experiment, there are countless unsuccessful attempts. For every paper published, there are rejections, revisions, and resubmissions. But we persist. As physician scientists, we know that what we discover with our studies, trials, and analyses has the potential to change lives. The responsibility we carry is thus greater than ourselves, and this award is not just a recognition of past work, it is a charge to continue moving forward. And finally, community is the foundation that sustains us. If curiosity is the spark, collaboration the engine, and commitment the fuel, then community is the foundation that holds our work together. Science requires an ecosystem of support, and tonight I want to recognize the many partners who make our work at SSM Health St. Louis University Hospital possible. To my department, including our chairman, Dr. Nyack, my vice chair partners, Drs. Porter and Vadian, for fostering an environment where innovation is not only encouraged, but expected. To the School of Medicine and SSM leadership, including Dean Jacobs and Drs. Duggan, for investing in physician scientists to help integrate innovation and patient care within our triple mission. To our hospital and clinical teams, including my many colleagues, for translating discovery into action and ensuring that what we learn improves the lives of the patients we serve. To our excellent research administration teams and funders, including Mr. Stephen Schmidt and Myron Minner, for being invaluable collaborators in providing the resources needed to get work done. To my family and to my husband, for understanding that science is not a 9-to-5 or Monday to Friday job, and for their patience and unwavering support. And most importantly, to our patients who remind us why we do what we do. Their resilience, courage, and trust are the greatest motivators for discovery. I'll close with the words of Jonas Salk. The reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more. This award is not an endpoint. It is a milestone along a much longer journey. And my hope is that we continue to push boundaries, to embrace bold ideas, and inspire our faculty and trainees as the next generation of physician scientists who will carry this mission forward in our community with national impacts and beyond. Sincere thanks to the St. Louis Metropolitan Medical Society for this wonderful honor. Let's continue our journey to see further together.